Are you tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Sign up for my free trading AI with over 50% monthly return on your investment. Link is in the description. Shiba Inu swaps delisting means this game is over. Inu Shiba ahead of chaining it for the Puppynet testnet. The Shiba Inu community is currently disseminating information about the development of the Shib volume network, including updated documentation. A screenshot of a Shiba developer stating that dunks are finished is being shared by Shiba influencers, including Lucy Shiba. The reason for the brief delay is that Shiba's overloaded developer call is being consulted to ensure everything is in order. We'll try to release more than just documents as well. Supporters of Shiba claim that the news counters FUD about the emerging layer of blockchain, such as claims that Shibarium is an exact replica of the Rinea testnet. We will discuss exchange delisting, Shibas, and current Shiba Inu news in this video. For the most recent information on professional analysis and predictions for the Shiba enterprise, don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let's start the video now without further ado. The first chain ID for Puppynets was 917, the ID for Renee, which raised questions regarding Shibarium and Renee. The creators of Shibarium answered that it was just a coincidence, and that they had selected chain IDs for each phase of Shibarium. The Puppynet ID has been updated to 719 and ahead of the release of Rinea, and anyone who wants to test the new chain can add the testnets to their MetaMask wallets. The past 2 weeks have seen a downward trend in GPU pricing, which investors anticipate to be a correction before a rally. However, it appears that the meme coin may be headed toward disappointing its owners based on a key sign. The downtrend line that Schubert's usage of price, trading at $0.00001068, was unable to cross over. It has been there for most of March. When the meme coin re-entered the charts, a downtrend line developed. On the other hand, the relative strength index has been trending upwards throughout the same time period as the indicator rose from the oversold zone under 30.0 and has been heading towards the neutral line at 50.0, forming an uptrend line, after testing the resistance of the 100-day exponential moving average. The creation of a potential hidden bearish divergence is highlighted when the price action and RSI movements are combined. The Shiba Inu price may decrease during the coming trading sessions if this pattern holds. The meme coin would then drop to a crucial support level at $0.000097 at $9 as a result. Losing this support would drive Shib to lows in December 2022, which would represent a 25% drop in price for the cryptocurrency. This would mark a 2-month low for the altcoin. The investors who recently amassed more than 43 trillion Shib tokens in a week will suffer greatly as a result of this. The amount of tokens available on exchanges has decreased by roughly $475 million. In general, a decrease in supply signals the beginning of a trend toward short-term accumulation. This reduction can also be a sign that investors are shifting their tokens from exchanges to cold wallets and away from hot wallets. Even after FTX fell 4 months ago, the likelihood of another dire plunge was not anticipated. Holders of Shiba Inus, given that the network saw its biggest losses since June 2021, his decision is unexpected. Shiba Inu prices have fallen until December 2022, which translates to less than $62,000, but on-chain represents significant losses. Those Shib investors would be increasing the losses experienced by the entire network. Shiba Inu for all-time version 1.7 of the Shiba Inu-based card combat game was just released. Although the most recent update has less change logs, it has been recognized to be similarly significant in enhancing the memory and performance improvements of the game. Shiba Inu Indie Community Manager Queenie just announced the upgrade on the game's official Discord channel. The patch, according to Queenie, is smaller than earlier versions yet features significant backhand upgrades in the same category. Queenie also provided a screenshot of the patch notes, outlining these upgrades. The snapshot indicates that developers have resolved problems with rampant sequencing, memory optimizations, and performance optimizations. Memory optimization, which refers to adjustments made to how the game uses computer memory, can enhance the game's overall performance and lower the likelihood of freezes or crashes. Improvements to the game's rapid sequencing indicate that the issue that prevented the game from carrying out the actions during a rampage correctly has been fixed. This should improve the game's stability and stop strange behavior. Performance optimization is the process of making a game's utilization of a computer's processing capacity more efficient overall. This can entail alterations to how it communicates with the hardware in your computer or controls how it uses resources. These adjustments can make the game faster and more responsive, enabling it to function more easily across a wider range of hardware setups. The most recent upgrade was made exactly 2 months after version 1.6 was made available. At least 14 new areas of improvement for the game were added in the previous update, which was released in December of last year. The game has undergone several modifications since its October 2022 release in order to provide players the best possible experience. As a result of these ongoing advancements, over 100,000 people have downloaded the game, which has a 4.8-star rating on both the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. On March 23, Nance.us, a cryptocurrency exchange, said that it would delist a few trading pairings for Nance USD signing load trade activity and usage. Shiba Inu is one of the low advanced trading pairs for BUSD. The delisting of BUSD advanced trading pairs will take place on March 29, 2023. The top Bitcoin exchange site affirmed that users will still be able to make deposits and withdrawals. The following are the advanced trading pairings listed for BUSD: ADA algorithm BUSD, BUSD, USD, USDT, USB, USD, B bust LPT USD for Mana OMG. Matic will be USD near the bus. Sol BUSD, Shiba Inu USD, TRX is USD and displays USD. Both XDZ and ZIL will be denominated in USD. Advanced trading pairs for BUSD will only be available with a select few cryptocurrencies after March 29, according to Binance. The following advanced trading pairs are still available for purchase, sale, conversion to, and trading in USD. BTC and ETH are both in USD. BNB will have USD HBA, USD RB, and USD GBP as one. New has updated Shib with new Shib the Metaverse game branding and released it on the IO website. Users who want to buy land in the Metaverse quickly can do so through the updated website. The website's introduction of the Meme 5 project included a 113-second video previewing Shib's Metaverse, which featured various locations and town scenes not seen in recent days. At the South by Southwest Festival in Austin, Texas, the Shib team formally launched its Metaverse, starting with the first hub called WAGMI. Temple, a vital component of the intricate ecosystem Shib is creating, which is supported by the Shibarium network and the Ethereum layer, is the Metaverse. On March 11th, the public beta test network known as Puppynet became live. Since the tragic token burn of October 2021, Shiba Inu has been a pioneering project in the Web3 space. Due to this event, roughly half of the chip token supply was destroyed, which helped create the Shiba Inu Coin's flash scenario tokenomics structure. Since the beginning of 2023, Shib has made an excellent recovery. The Shiba Inu coin increased by roughly 100% to nearly double the value of the Shib ecosystem as the larger crypto markets fluctuated. The current state of the Shiba Inu coin and its affiliates is reflected in the cryptocurrency news. The Shib, a revolutionary blockchain that allows real use for Web3 and meme currency, recently revealed that Copytrading, a Layer 2 scaling solution, would shortly go live. Shiba Launcher delivers groundbreaking technology to transform participation in the initial Shibarium network token sales and promote the ecosystem's expansion. On the Shibarium blockchain, the creative IDO Launchpad will introduce its groundbreaking technologies. By guaranteeing that investors take part in only trustworthy and ideal launches and assisting the shipping new project developer obtain money in a decentralized and secure way, this system is intended to redefine early-stage token sales standards. The pre-sale for Shib No Launcher's utility and governance token has begun. With a minimum of 10 million Shiba, Shila investors can take part in the pre-sale of the Shiba token and become owners of the Shiba Launcher ecosystem. The Shiba Launcher has swiftly amassed a devoted fanbase, and native token investors are thrilled about the project's potential for passive revenue through staking and other methods. Shiba Launcher is in a strong position to take a leading position in the DeFi business, which is expanding quickly. The day is over now. To view our most recent content, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel.